Hello guys, today I'm showing if the brass pistol is still a useful weapon for the officer. Now let's see, shall we? Let's try the shambler.
Cannibale!
Now the bomber.
Bombardier!
Now the runner.
Œil rouge!
Now the zapper.
Qu'est-ce qu'ils t'ont fait? Délivrez-le!
Now the igniter.
Pyromane!
Now the cuirassier zombie.
Cuirassier!
Now let's try the unused zombie type, shall we? The crawler. Now let's try the viral variant of the viral zapper. The viral knight.
Mais qu'est-ce qu'ils t'ont fait? Délivrez-le de ses souffrances!
Now the viral runner and the viral zapper. The viral runner. The viral zapper. Well, it seems that the brass pistol is also still useful for the officer. 10 out of 10.